What's up YouTube, Ultimate here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your gamer profile picture to a custom image. It's a very simple process. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it with or without a flash drive. So you can do this with a flash drive. That's the preferred method. And the reason for why that's the preferred method is because you're not going to lose any image quality from transferring over from your PC to your Xbox. And I'm also going to show you how to do it without a flash drive. That way, just in case you don't have a flash drive on hand, you can still transfer it over, and then maybe on a later date, you can go off and do the preferred method. That way, you can basically keep the same resolution. Because if you do it without a flash drive, you are going to be downloading it from ImageGur, which is already going to be lowering the resolution, and then you're going to be uploading it again. So it will lower a slight bit. It's not going to be anything too substantial, but there's a lot of people that want to have their logo be very crisp and pristine. So yeah, so obviously, as you can see here, I am signed into the my Microsoft account, and I can go and click change my profile picture. And as you can see here, there's no option for me uploading a custom image, which I find very fascinating because of the fact that I can do this from the Xbox, but I cannot do this from my actual PC, which is really, really weird in my opinion. So, yeah, we're just going to go off and do it from the Xbox. And of course, we're going to be first doing the USB method. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to basically resize the image correctly. That way you don't have to use some third website or something along those lines to resize the image. Because, again, that is something you don't want to do because they're already lowering the resolution. You're just doing it over and over again. It's just going to make your image not as pristine. So, yeah. First, we're going to be using Paint. I'm not going to be using Photoshop. You can use Photoshop, but a lot of people don't have Photoshop, so it'd be kind of pointless. Click Open. And for this one, we're going to be using the black and silver logo, just to show you guys that I'm actually doing this. And then I'm going to go to Resize. And you're automatically, by default, going to be on percentage. You want to change that to pixels. And this is 1600 by 1600. The size that you want for your Xbox Live profile picture is 1080 by 1080. Right? And then we're going to save this as desktop black and silver Xbox. Sure. And you want to save that as a PNG, not as a JPEG, because PNGs are higher quality pictures. They're also, I believe, considered lossless. I know GIF is, and I'm pretty sure PNG is also lossless. And also, if you're having a transparent background, it also keeps that transparent background. But with Xbox, I'm pretty sure it's going to be adding a transparent background, or it's going to be adding a white background regardless. So that doesn't really matter too much, but that's just for future. Okay. So we have that. Now what we need to do is we need to go off and go to our flash drive and drag it to the flash drive. Now we need to disconnect the flash drive and put it onto our Xbox. So eject, and now let's go to the Xbox. Once you're in the Xbox, you can hit the Xbox logo on your controller, and that's going to bring up this menu right here. Go over to the left, click on your name, go to My Profile. Hit down, go to Customize Profile. Hit over, Change Profile Picture. Upload a custom image. Go down to the USB flash drive. And obviously you're going to have the USB flash drive inserted into the back of the Xbox. Click on the logo that you want to actually, or I should say the picture that you actually want to use as your custom profile. Upload. And you're done. It's super simple. It does take like a few seconds for it to actually change over. Let's see here. All right. And as you can see here, my logo right there doesn't look really that amazing. And that's because of the fact that I have a white background as well. If I was to actually want to keep this logo, I would obviously change the background to, let's just say, black. Actually, it wouldn't be black. Black would also have the same problem because that's the center ring color. Let's just say gray or something along those lines. That way the background doesn't look like it's fusing in with the ring. But yeah, that is how you go off and change your profile picture. I'm actually going to go change that right back because I like the original one better. And as you can see here, it's super easy. And now we're going to be going off and doing it without a flash drive. Alright, so we're going to be doing this without a flash drive now. It's going to be a little bit different, but it should be still fairly simple and easy to understand. So first things first, we need to have our image. This time I'm going to be using this image right here. So we need to resize this to the correct size. Go to Open, ImageGer Test right here. Click on Resize. We need to change this to 1080, just like we did the other one. Click Save. Xbox logo ImageGer. We'll just do that. Should be simple. All right. Done. This is the results. It's going to add a white background and everything. Okay, so we need to go to google.com. Go to address bar, type in imageger.com/upload. We're going to upload our image. And we need to go off and find ImageGer tests. Right there. Here it is. And now we need to look at this link right here and basically write that down or take a picture of it because you're going to need to input that on the Xbox. So now let's go to the Xbox. Once you're on the Xbox, you need to go off and open up the internet browser. If you do not have the internet browser, you can get it by going to the store over here. Going to Apps, going over to the search button right here, type in Internet, and then as you can see here, here is the internet browser that I use. You can probably use any of them, but I would just recommend using this one. Click Install, then use the Xbox logo to go to My Apps or My Games and Apps. Click See All. Go to Apps. Go to Internet Browser. And then you should be on google.com or some other website. This really doesn't matter too much. You're going to go off and hit the View button on your Xbox One controller. That's going to bring up the address bar. Hit X then, or hit A and then X once you've selected it. And then type in the address that I told you to take a picture of and I highlighted. So ImageGer, and obviously you're not going to be copying the full address. It's going to be the address that you went off and upload to ImageGer because it's going to be different for each person. So imageger.com/A, and then the last bit for me is F9L9 EQQ. Now the last part for you guys is going to be different from mine. That's why I told you to basically take a picture of the address because you're going to have to retype it on your Xbox. Hit this right there. And then as you can see here, there is my image. So you're going to take the little cursor right here, as you can see here. Hit A. That's going to enlarge it. And then you're going to want to hit the Start button on your Xbox One controller. And that's going to bring up this option right here to copy image address, set as wallpaper, or save image as. Click Save Image. Click Save. Once you get that indication right there, hold the Xbox One button on your controller. It's going to bring up this logo, or this area right here, your downloads. And then you're going to need to click on the three dots. Click Save As. And then you need to hit the View button, and it'll allow you to get over here. If you're stuck basically going over here and you can't get over to the Xbox, again, hit the View button on your controller, go down to your Xbox internal storage right here, and then go to Pictures, and then click Save. Once that's done, you can delete this because you no longer need it, because it's already been saved to your Xbox One console. Now, from here, you're just going to hit the Xbox logo on your controller. Go to the left. Go to your profile. My profile. Customize profile. Change Gamerpic. Upload custom image. Alright. And if you get stuck to where you can only go in between these two options, hit the scene button on your Xbox One controller. Go down to your Xbox, internal storage, and go down to pictures, and then there's your image right there. Upload. And there you go. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out. If it did, please make sure to like and leave a like on the video and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace out.